Hey guys, so if you remember, just a few days ago I uploaded a video unboxing and going through the PinnerTest, the food intolerance test. I say a few days ago, and it takes about 7 to 10 days to get your results normally, but I got my results in like 3 days, which is super cool, huh babe?
Yeah, it's really cool. It was faster than I thought it was gonna be.
It's kind of weird, but awesome, like in a cool way. Weird, cool way. They email you the results, so you don't have to wait for them to mail them, which is super cool. We're gonna go over the results and see what I am intolerant to.
Are you nervous?
I'm a little nervous.
I'm nervous too, to see what you're intolerant to.
Yeah, it's like bittersweet. I don't want to be intolerant to anything, but I almost want to be, just so I can know what's causing my digestive issues. Exactly. Man, I'm super nervous. I haven't looked at the results yet.
Oh, I thought you were looking at them, and I'm like, oh no.
So the email says, "Dear Brylan, please find the results of your PinnerTest food intolerance test attached. Your blood sample was analyzed using food-specific reactions by advanced microarray technology. Raised levels of food-specific IgG antibodies in your blood indicate that IgG antibody reaction to particular food or foods has occurred. If a food does not show up in your report, but you know that it causes you to feel unwell, do not eat it." Ready? Okay.
You nervous?
A little bit.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, man.
Oh no. What is it?
Oh, that's weird.
Is it some stuff you weren't expecting?
Okay.
I'm like dying to know.
Okay. So I mean, it makes it actually makes sense, but it's weird at the same time.
Really?
Okay, it's like, okay, I'm okay with it, but bummed.
Is it what I think it is? Can I guess? Is it red meat?
No.
Oh, okay.
If it was red meat, I would have
cried.
I would have just I would have died. I would have fallen over. And
that's why I was like, oh no. So what are each of the columns? What do they mean? Because there's different colors, right?
Yeah, so what we're gonna see in this test is how to understand your PinnerTest. Red column means avoid. Green column, no reaction. Degrees. +1, a low reaction, but there's still a reaction.
Yeah.
+2, moderate reaction. +3, a high reaction means you're just gonna feel terrible.
Yeah.
As you eat these
You're
foods.
really sensitive to it.
Okay. Dairy.
You've said that before.
Egg whites and egg yolk. You know how I talk about eggs all the time?
You're right.
Check this out. Egg whites is +3.
Oh my gosh.
Egg yolk is +2.
So you need to avoid eggs.
Like I need to avoid eggs completely.
But you can have milk.
Yeah.
Which is interesting. Drinks. Oh, you're good. You can have coffee, babe.
Yeah, it doesn't. It says that I didn't react badly to coffee, but whenever I drink coffee, it totally messes with me. Mm-hmm. And I almost wonder if it's, you know, because coffee is very acidic, but I almost wonder if because I haven't eliminated some of these things that are causing inflammation, that's the reason why the acidity in the coffee isn't reacting well in me.
Okay, that's so interesting though about the eggs, because you've said that before.
In fact, I eliminated eggs for weeks.
Yeah.
But Lisa would always make recipes with like these eggs in it, and I couldn't resist, and then I'd eat it and I'd feel okay, and then I would start to go, okay, maybe it's not the eggs.
Yeah.
But then I would start to feel bad like the next day or the next couple days after I'd eat it.
Want to know what you can have? Our vegan chocolate chip cookies that we make.
We make the best vegan chocolate chip cookies.
They're so good.
Oh, I can't have eggs.
Yeah, but there's other recipes we can do. Well, when it comes to baking, we'll have to do like more like vegan type recipes.
So fish and seafood, yeah, all the fish is fine.
Yeah, which is good to know because
Which
fish is super good.
So nice. So not having any intolerance to fish might be my favorite thing on here because we're huge seafood eaters. Love my salmon.
Sardines.
Love, eating shrimp.
Tuna.
You
like just about everything.
I do. Seafood's fine. Let's keep going.
Oh gosh.
Fruits.
Oh, you're good on fruits?
I'm good on fruits.
Good, cool. Wasn't there for a while you thought a couple fruits you might be intolerant to?
I did, like lemon. Lemon's fine. I stopped eating lemon for a little bit because I actually watched someone else do their pinner test and they were intolerant to lemon. And so I was like, I've actually been eating lemon a lot.
What if that's what?
And I was feeling extremely bad. But I was also eating like some stuff with eggs and stuff like that. So, but I just went to the lemon because it was more like
it was a possibility.
Yeah, and like I mentioned in the last video, if you eat something you're intolerant to, it can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sometimes even longer before you start to really feel bad. But you'll blame something you ate that day and think it's that. So it's messed up. So this is awesome. We've been making the last couple days the best.
I like to call them mint julep lemonades just because I think it's cute.
So it's a homemade lemonade and we sweeten it with monk fruit and we put mint leaves in it. And it's just this like minty, sweet lemonade. It's so delicious.
Yeah, it's amazing.
To celebrate, we're gonna have that. Moving on, grains. Look.
What?
That's so good.
You can have wheat and rice and stuff. Isn't that kind of cool just to know?
It totally is.
Like if every once in a while you wanted to have something, you could. It's just cool to know. Like I think we're probably still gonna try to avoid certain things just like for like being like healthier. But every once in a while, if we wanted like, if we're at a restaurant and wanted to get like the bread or whatever, that's kind of cool to know that we could do that.
I mean, we're gluten-free. About a week and a half ago, we went to Outback and had a piece of bread.
For like the first time in a couple of years.
Yeah, I had just gone golfing and it was just like an awesome day and her parents were down and I was like, I'm gonna have some bread. I had some bread and I didn't feel bad.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I actually felt fine.
Yeah,
I think.
I did too.
Legumes, peanut +2.
What? What?
Hey, you guys.
That's kind of funny.
That's
because
so weird.
I'm allergic to peanuts and now you're intolerant to peanuts. That's actually like really kind of funny. Yeah.
And like I told you in the last video, go watch the PinnerTest unboxing video to hear the story of when Lisa had a super bad reaction to peanuts. She almost died.
Mm-hmm. I'm actually allergic to like this category, legumes, but for whatever reason, black beans and pinto beans don't give me a reaction.
I would want to avoid peanuts anyway.
Yeah, exactly. You haven't had peanuts since even before we were dating.
Meat, pork. Remember the bacon?
Yeah, and you didn't feel good.
Literally, probably 3 or 4 weeks ago now, I started eating bacon and eggs. And after a couple days after that, I was eating that like every morning, or not every morning, but every day we were having like breakfast during the day. I started feeling terrible, some of the worst I'd felt in years. So this totally makes sense.
Yeah, and it's totally fine too because we don't really eat pork.
Seeds and nuts, cashew +2.
You were avoiding cashews too purposely.
And then remember we bought cashews and started eating them?
Yeah.
And then I started feeling bad. See, this totally makes sense.
It does. It really does. That's so interesting.
And I'd wondered for a long time, like, why I didn't feel worse eating almonds and stuff. But I just cut out all the nuts the last few weeks.
Yeah, but that's good to know. You can have other nuts then.
Yeah. Next is spices and herbs. I can have all of them.
Good, because you love your spices.
Even lavender. Next is vegetables. I can have all of the vegetables.
That's cool. So
what I have to avoid are egg whites +3, egg yolks +2. I have to avoid peanuts, which is +2.
Which you've already avoided.
Yeah. Pork, which is +2. Cashews, which is +2. And that's it as far as this list. Super interesting.
Yeah. So you should try to cut out those things for the next couple of weeks and see like if you feel any different.
Yeah. Lisa had a good idea. I was thinking about doing like a health vlog or something every couple weeks or maybe a couple times a month, whatever it is. Well, it's just every couple of weeks or a couple times a month.
I would say.
It's like Dumb and Dumber when he's like, can you meet at 6:45? Oh, I'm kind of busy. How about 6:45? I'm thinking about doing a health vlog or something just to kind of...
Once or twice a month.
Once or twice a month. Let me know if you'd like that. Yeah, so I'll do a video updating how I feel after eliminating all these things from my diet completely. In the meantime, if you want to order this test, we will have a coupon code in the description that you can get $60 off. This really opened my eyes quite a bit. Link in the description if you want to order this test. Again, $60 off with our coupon code, which is in the description as well. Leave me a comment if you plan on getting the PinnerTest or if you think that you'd be able to benefit from it. That's going to be it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.